Hey guys, it's Ariel here. I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you my second or reinstall of this Crochet Braids Plus crochet hair. And y'all, when I tell you this hair is top tier, it is definitely worth the investment. It is so worth the money. So here I am just showing you that upon reinstall, the hair still looks good. There's not a whole lot of matting. The knot is still visible. The curl is still intact. This hair, it kind of reminds me of like micro locks or micro extensions. So that's why I purchased the hair in the first place, because I wanted something that looked like micro locks or micro twists without having to sit in the chair for so long or actually commit to getting that hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just installing the hair like how I installed it initially. All you do is slide the crochet needle under the braid, and then you slide the hook onto the loop of the hair. Use the hook to pull the bottom end of the hair through, and your hair is secure. It's not going anywhere. You only need to pull the hair through the loop one time, which is what I love about this hair. So when you're taking it down, all you have to do is undo the loop one time. So the takedown is not really a hassle. The shorter you have it in, the easier it is to take it out, is what I will say. The first time I installed this hair, I had this hair in for 2 months. Yes, 2 months. And it was a little bit harder to take it down after having it in for so long, because my natural hair got a little matted, and some pieces started to try to combine with the crochet hair. But however, I did take this install down that I'm doing right now on camera. I took it down after 2 weeks because I had to redo my braids, because I did my braids the first time. Y'all know the struggle when you don't have anybody else to braid your hair and you gotta sit there and try to braid your own hair. So yeah, initially I didn't have anybody braid my hair, so I had to braid my own hair. But I got my mom to re-braid my hair like 2 weeks later, and I took the hair out with no problem, and I put it back in again for a third time with no problem, and I still have the hair in to this day. So this hair is very durable. And I'm just showing you right here. I have a piece that I had to cut out the first time when I took this out. After my first install of this hair, I did have to cut some pieces. So I'm just showing you how I'm tying the hair, and I'm looping, and I'm just tying a knot, and creating a knot right there, and then I can go ahead and install the hair like usual. So yes, even if you did have to cut some pieces out, you can reuse this hair. And you just see me pulling it through, and boom, it's secure. It's not going nowhere. So yeah, this hair is very, very durable. It mimics natural hair. This color combination is so cute. I'm gonna put down in the description a link. I got this in medium length, so I think I paid like $179 for the hair initially, but you get multiple uses out of the hair, and you can swim in this hair. I've been on vacation in this hair. I've gone on a cruise. I've gone swimming. I've washed it while it was in my hair. Like, this hair is just the perfect summertime or wintertime protective style. Me personally, I'm putting this hair back in because I'm going on a health and fitness journey to lose some weight that I gained. So I need some hair that I can put up in a bun real easy and sweat and it still look good. I need a break from the wigs. I love wigs, but I just need a break. My hairline needs a break. My edges need a break. So this crochet style is just honestly a perfect protective style. So I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let y'all keep watching the video and listen to the music. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished result. As you can see, it's really cute. You can style this hair several different ways. It just depends on your braid pattern and how you braid it. I usually do straight backs, and I usually get my mom or somebody to braid it for me, but this time I didn't have anybody to braid it for me, so I had to braid on my own. But you can do several different styles, like do soft part, do either side. And I'm just gonna show y'all a few of the hairstyles that you can do with this. But yeah, you can do several hairstyles with this hair. I love this hair. Every time I go out, I get compliments. People asking me, what kind of hair is this? Or what style is this? Or how did you get your hair like that? So, needless to say, on the reinstall, the hair still looks brand new. Still looks good. It's unclockable. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see another update or some more hair videos or house videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.